Hello everyone, myself Sri Padasai. Now I am going to tell progressions. In progressions we have four types. They are arithmetic progression. First one, arithmetic progression, in short form written as AP. Second one, geometric progression, in short form written as GP. Third one, harmonic progressions, in short form written as HP. Last fourth one, arithmetico-geometric progression, in short form written as AGP. Only first one arithmetic progression, second one geometric progression, third one harmonic progression. Only these three are very important. Only these three, AP, GP, HP are very important. Now I am going to tell AP. AP means arithmetic progression. The general form of AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Here D go on increases. D go on increases. See, here D is not there. D, 1D, 2D, 3D. So go on increases. Here A means first term. A means the first term. And D means common difference. Common difference. Common difference. Common difference is denoted by D, small d, and first term is denoted by small a. How to find out this D, common difference? How to find out? Here A represents T1, AD, A plus D, T2, A plus 2D, T3, A plus 3D, T4, and so on. A represents T1, A plus D represents T2, A plus 2D represents T3, A plus 3D represents T4. How to find out this D? D is equals to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2 is equals to T4 minus T3. You can take any two successive terms. T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. You will get the same. To find out the nth term of this, nth term is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. A is equals to first term. D is equals to common difference. N minus 1 is equals to a number. Now we will take an example. Example. I am taking an arithmetic series 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. Here A is first term now. So here first term is 2. So this is A. A is equals to 2. And D is equals to common difference. D is equals to what I told? T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. D is equals to T2 minus T1. T2 is equals to 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Employs D is equals to 3. The common difference is equals to 3. Now we will find out the nth term of this. Nth term is equals to I told no, nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to a we got 2 plus n minus 1 we have to find out n into d is equals to 3 equals to 2 plus 3n minus 1 equals to 3n minus 1. This is the nth term. Nth term is denoted by Tn is equals to 3n minus 1. Now, what is the use of this? What is the use of this? If we will keep n a number, suppose we'll take n is equals to 1. 3n minus 1 is equals to 3 into 1 minus 1 equals to 3 minus 1 equals to 2. First number we got the same. Second one, n equals to 2. 3n minus 1 equals to 3 into 2 minus 1 equals to 3. 6 minus 1 equals to 5. We got the same. And if we want to find out the 12th term, means n is equals to 12. 3n minus 1. We got that only, no? 3 into 12 minus 1 equals to 36 minus 1 equals to 35. Therefore, 12th term is equals to 35. If go on this series goes, 12th term is equals to 35. To find out the sum of numbers, sum of these terms, find out the sum of their numbers, we have another formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or we can take it as n by 2 into a plus a into n minus 1, a plus a into n minus 1 into d. Here this formula we have learnt now only, that is last term, to find out the sum common difference. Now nth term equals to n by 2 into first term. A is equals to first term, no? First term plus last term. If we take an example, we'll take an example of n equals to, a is equals to 2, comma d is equals to 3, n is equals to 5 will take. Now n is equals to 5 now. Sn is equals to 5 by 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2, no, here 2 into 2. 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 into d 3 is equals to 5 by 2 into 2 2s are 4 plus 4 3s are 12. 5 by 2 into 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is equals to 5 by 2 into 16. 2 ones are 2 eights are 5 eights are 40. Therefore, Sn, we have taken an example of 2, 5, 8, 11. No, this is that. A is equals to 3. Therefore, sum of numbers of that series is equals to 40. Thank you.